If you're trying to point your domain to a different website, email provider, or hosting service, one of the most important things you need to know is how to add name servers in Hostinger. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your name servers quickly and confidently without getting lost in the settings. This is especially useful if you've just bought a domain, moved your website, or need to connect your domain to another platform. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the domain section. This is where all of your domain settings are managed, including DNS and name server controls. Click on domains and then select the specific domain you want to update. If you own multiple domains, make sure you choose the correct one, because the name server changes will apply only to the domain you select. After opening the domain settings, look for the DNS or name servers option. Next to it, click Edit. This opens the section where you can manage how your domain points to different services on the internet. Now, you should see an option called Change Name Servers. Click that option to begin the update process. Hostinger may ask you to confirm again, so if you see a second Change Name Servers button, go ahead and click it one more time. This is just a confirmation step to make sure you really want to switch from the current name servers to custom ones. Once you've confirmed, you'll be able to enter your new name server values. You'll usually need at least 2 name servers, and they may look something like ns1.example.com and ns2.example.com. If your hosting provider, domain registrar, or DNS service gave you specific name servers, enter those exactly as provided. Be careful with spelling, spacing, and formatting, because even a small typo can prevent your domain from working properly. After entering the name servers, double-check everything before you continue. Make sure each field has the correct value and that you haven't missed any numbers, letters, or dots. When everything looks good, click Save. Hostinger will then apply the new name server settings to your domain. Keep in mind that name server changes don't always take effect instantly. In many cases, it can take some time for the update to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if your site doesn't update right away. It may take a few minutes, or sometimes longer, depending on the domain and DNS provider. Once the propagation is complete, your domain will start using the new name servers you entered. At that point, your website, email, or other connected services should begin working with the new DNS setup. If you ever need to change them again in the future, you can follow the exact same steps inside Hostinger. So to quickly recap, log into Hostinger, go to Domains, select your domain, click Edit next to DNS or Name Servers, choose Change Name Servers, confirm it again, enter your name servers, and then save your changes. And that's how to add name servers in Hostinger the easy way. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.